Hello everyone, my name is Vasi. I'm the founder of PetPix Academy, and in this video I'm going to share with you some very valuable tips and tricks on how you can take pictures of your furry babies simply using your cell phone for the holidays and to look professional. So yes, you may not have professional backdrop, but you know what? You probably do have a wrapping paper. Just simply wrap it with wrapping paper, prep it on the wall, and that's how you can have your own backdrop. Yes, you can also get a backdrop. Of course, there are different qualities. Make sure that hopefully it's wrinkle resisting. Simply your Christmas tree or an area where you decorated in your home could do a great job. Right now Delilah, she is wearing a beautiful outfit from a Posh Puppy. As you can see, it's really nice, and she has a beautiful cap. So the question is, we have here multiple different elements. So when you select the elements, make sure that they are not too big compared to the size of your furry baby. Pair cute Delilah and this beautiful element too big, so Delilah would look even smaller than she is. When you use elements for the decoration, a lot of times if it's a shiny surface, it's going to reflect. It's so interesting, it is true. By the way, PetPix, we do have a podcast, and I actually have a special episode dedicated exactly on those little tips. But the idea is that you can see who is taking the pictures in this type of bowl, so that's why I do recommend, if you'd like to kind of be a little cautious. And the color of the red and the color of the elements are clearly similar. You don't have super bright and you don't have stones. What I actually will do, I will stop here, and Delilah is getting very excited, and I will push everything from the front. And look at this. This would be a really very beautiful full picture. So happy holidays. Don't forget, every time you press the button coming on, you create a nice memory, right? And this is what my very beautiful friend Delilah is saying as well. So happy holidays, friends.